Here we have a problem on logarithm. Okay, let's read the question. Simplify log 8 to the base 3 divided by log 16 to the base 9 times log 10 to the base 4 and change the base into common logarithmic base. So in this problem, our work is to simplify the given logarithmic expression, and we have to give our answer with common logarithmic base, that is 10. Okay, let me write the given expression, that is log 8 to the base 3 divided by log 16 to the base 9 times log 10 to the base 4. Okay, now what I have to do is to simplify the given expression, I'm just going to switch this log 16 to the base 9 to numerator. Okay, whenever I move logarithms from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, what I need to do is I have to interchange the base and argument. That is, if I move this log 16 to the base 9 to numerator, then I will get log 9 to the base 16. That is, I have to interchange these two. So the same thing I am going to do for this logarithm also. That is, I am going to move this logarithm to the numerator. When I move this one to numerator, I have to switch this 10 and 4. Then I get log 4 to the base 10. Okay, now 3 logarithms are multiplied. Now we have to simplify this, and we have to give our answer in common logarithmic base 10. Already the third logarithm is having the common logarithmic base 10. So we have to get common logarithmic base only for the first 2 logarithms. Okay, so here, okay, let's take the first logarithm. The base is 3. I need the common logarithmic base 10. So what I should do? It's very simple. So to get common logarithmic base for the given logarithm, so what we need to do is we have to write 2 logarithms in division with the arguments 8 and 3. So 8 is going to be the argument of logarithm in numerator, and 3 is going to be the argument of the logarithm in denominator. Now for these 2 logarithms, whatever base you want you can take, but you have to take the same base for both the logarithms. So it is not like that we can take different bases. Whatever base we need for numerator we can take, and whatever base we need for denominator, it's not like that. So whatever base you want you can take it, but you have to take the same base for both the logarithms, numerator and denominator. So if I want 5, I can take the base 5 for both numerator and denominator. But in this problem I need common logarithmic base 10. So I take the base 10 here and here. So in the same way we have to change the base of the second logarithm into common logarithmic base 10. So I'll be getting log 9 to the base 10 divided by log 16 to the base 10. So I don't have to do anything with the third logarithm because already there is base 10. Okay, in the next step of simplification, what we need to do is log 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, and here log 3 to the base 10 times log 9 can be written as, 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2, and 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4, and here the 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 to the base 10. Okay, so in the next step we can use the fundamental law, that is 3 log 2 to the base 10 divided by log 3 to the base 10 times 2 log 3 to the base 10 divided by 4 log 2 to the base 10 times 2 log 2 to the base 10. So now what we can do is we can cancel this log 3 to the base 10, log 3 to the base 10 here, and the next step this log 2 to the base 10, this log 2 to the base 10 can be cancelled out. So now we have 3 log 2 to the base 10 times 2 divided by 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. So this 4 and 4 can be cancelled out. So we get 3 log 2 to the base 10. So now we got the simplification of the given expression into common logarithmic base. So the simplification of the given expression is 3 log 2 to the base 10.